What's up, guys? It's your boy Martin, aka Entrepreneur, and on my channel. Today in this video, I have some very special for you, something unique that will fetch you money. Talk about turning your passion into profit. So if you love gaming and Bitcoin, then I have some great news for you. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you several games that you can play on your smartphone and earn some reward in Bitcoin. Yeah, incredible as it sounds, this is for you. And today I'm going to show you how you can earn free Bitcoin just by playing online games on your smartphone. So guys, before we proceed, I need you to do something for me. And if this is the first time that you're watching videos, visiting my channels or checking out any of my contents, kindly hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos or I update my existing contents. This is to ensure that you be the first in line to be notified whenever there's something new, to ensure that you don't miss out whenever I give out free stuff and freebies to my subscribers. Alright guys, if you've done this, then let's proceed to the business of the day. And like I said, today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free Bitcoin just by playing games on your smartphone. So without wasting time, let's just proceed to the business of the day. And the first game or the first site that I'm going to show you the way you can earn free Bitcoin just by playing online games is Bitcoin Aliens. So Bitcoin Alien Run is a popular mobile Bitcoin game that enables you to play a fun 2D runner game on your smartphone and earn Bitcoin in the process. So in Bitcoin Alien Run, you join Daniel the Alien, who is the unique character on missions every day, for which you are rewarded for in BTC if you manage to complete this mission. This is the game exactly. So this game is available on both Android and iOS device, and the features that are embedded in this game is that the minimum payout is 0.002 Bitcoin and the weekly payments are made every Tuesday. Also, Bitcoin Alien Run has a wonderful customer support in case you're interested. Be sure that the customer support is readily available 24/7 to provide support for you. So here's my verdict on Bitcoin Alien. So if you enjoy old school 2D Super Mario style mobile games, Bitcoin Alien Run is a must try for you. So you can just check this out and see if it's a good fit for you. Just like, going to help you turn your passion into profit. So the second site or the second game where you can play on your mobile phone and earn free Bitcoin from is Spark Profit. So Spark Profit is an interactive fun Bitcoin market prediction app. And this financial trading simulation allows you to make predictions on real money markets such as FX and cryptocurrency markets. So the more accurate predictions, the more points you earn. And once you have enough points, you can cash out your earnings Bitcoin. So Spark Profit was launched in 2013 and claims to have disbursed over $500,000 US so far. Spark offers weekly payouts for its over 100,000 users and provides you with a variety of resources and tutorials to make your trading experience successful. One good thing about this app is that it's available for both iOS and Android users, and it also has a web-based game, so you can play this game on your PC. So some of the features that you can find in Spark Profit includes it has a PC and mobile version, and you can earn up to $100 in Bitcoin weekly. The minimum balance of 20,000 points is necessary for you to withdraw your earnings, and the privacy system in place for personal data is top-notch. So with Spark Profit, you can be sure that your personal information is safe and sound. Also, the customer support for Spark Profit is top-notch. And here's my verdict for Spark Profit. So if you enjoy financial markets and have a knack for speculations, then you should try out this game. The thing about this is that it's available both on iOS and Android devices. We also have a web-based version. So moving on to the next game on our list, which is a Altcoin Fantasy. So Altcoin Fantasy is a free crypto trade simulator that allows you to learn how to trade digital assets in a risk-free environment. Launched in 2018, Altcoin Fantasy is available in the US and Canada, and there are current plans to expand its operations into the Asian market. So the game has a professional user interface that is similar to a fantasy sports site, and Altcoin Fantasy includes both weekly and monthly competitions where you can earn Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Lumens, and lots more. So Altcoin Fantasy has over 82,000 players, and it has paid out more than 25,000 in prizes to date. The site offers you a way to trade in virtual cash and also win Bitcoins. One good thing about Altcoin Fantasy is that it's available for both Android and iOS devices, and you can download them depending on the device that you're using. So some of the features that this Altcoin Fantasy have is that it supports a variety of digital assets, and it can stand up to win up to $100 daily. Plus, there's no deposit required to partake in this game. So here's my verdict for Altcoin Fantasy. If you're looking to earn free altcoins by predicting financial markets, then you should try out this crypto trading simulator game known as Altcoin Fantasy. So moving on to the next play to earn game on our agenda, we're moving on to Spell of Genesis. So Spell of Genesis is one of the longest running Bitcoin RPGs to date. The game is a combination of a trading card game with arcade-style gaming features. So Spell of Genesis is a free game based on the blockchain technology that enables you to collect, trade, and combine orbs in order to design the strongest gameplay deck and test them against other contestants while exploring the mythical world of Askian. So Spell of Genesis allows you to actually own your in-game items and cards on the blockchain itself. Consequently, you can also earn Bitcoin directly in the game. You can also collect blockchain cards, which are essential digital assets that can be stored on the Bitcoin blockchain as well as exchanged or traded outside the game. So if you want to learn more about the Spell of Genesis, you can check out the community forum. There's a link in the description of this video for you to check out to learn more about the Spell of Genesis game. And some of the features that the Spell of Genesis game has is that it has a tradable blockchain cards. You can earn prizes in Bitcoin, and the community forum is super active. You can also interact with other members and learn from them, and also the customer support is top notch. So here's my verdict on Spell of Genesis. Apart from the fact that it's available on the Play Store and the iStore, you can also play the Spell of Genesis on desktop. It's available too on the web for desktop users. So if you enjoy RPG with the added benefit of earning Bitcoin and tradable items, then Spell of Genesis is just right for you. So moving on to the next game on our agenda, which is a Satoshi Quiz. So Satoshi Quiz is a free web-based Bitcoin game that allows you to win Bitcoin by answering questions from different categories. So for every question answered correctly, you stand to win a prize pot of 1,000 Satoshis. To win Bitcoin, you must be signed in and be among the first 3 users to answer the questions correctly. The prizes are awarded according to a tiered system and vary from one question to the next. In addition, you can choose between daily, weekly, and monthly awards. So the minimum balance for withdrawal is 11,000 Satoshis, and payments are processed at the end of every week. So some of the features that you can find in the Satoshi Quiz game includes it has a live chat functionality, and the customer support is available on Twitter and Facebook. So this is the live chat functionality I talked about. You need to log in to participate in the live chat, and you can also sign up for a premium account on the Satoshi Quiz game, and it also has a faucet option. So here's my verdict about the Satoshi Quiz. If you prefer an intellectually stimulating game with Bitcoin prize money, then Satoshi Quiz is the game for you. So on to the next game on our agenda, which is Rollercoin. Yeah. So Rollercoin is essentially a Bitcoin mining simulator where you compete against your friends to earn free Bitcoin. So this Bitcoin game allows the concept of Bitcoin mining, but instead of completing sophisticated computations, the site allows you to complete tasks, undertake missions, test your skills, and play games to earn some Bitcoin. So the game offers you a unique experience where you may end up dealing with some realistic tasks such as electricity bills, data center repair, rent and air conditioning costs. And to increase your mining power, you can play side missions, complete mini tasks, upgrade your data center, and that's more. So Rollercoin offers a block reward every 5 minutes, which is shared by all the participants depending on their mining power. And this game the site was launched in 2018 and has so far paid out 1.65 Bitcoin. And you can follow the community discussions on bitcointalk.org. There's a link in the description of this video for that where you can check out the Rollercoin community forum. So some of the features that you can find on Rollercoin includes the minimum withdrawal balance. It requires a minimum withdrawal balance of 10,000 Satoshi that you need to earn, or you must have withdrawal balance of up to 10,000 Satoshis before you can for your earnings, and the payments are processed within 2 days. Also, the customer support is top notch, and you can sign up easily and get approved. So here's my verdict about Rollercoin. If you're looking to enter into Bitcoin mining, then you can learn about it in this Bitcoin game in a fun, gamified way. Talk about turning your passion into profit. So on to the next game that you're checking out, and we're on to Bitcoin Flip. So Bitcoin Flip is a Bitcoin exchange simulator game that allows you to learn the basics of crypto trading and enjoy yourself at the same time. So the free Bitcoin simulator allows you to trade a variety of digital assets virtually, including BCH, ETH, SML, and lots more. So Bitcoin Flip offers real-time pricing charts and other tools to help you learn more about crypto trading. So you can test your strategies against other traders before actually investing in crypto. So when you're ready, you can select any of the 3 top trusted brokers to trade Bitcoin. Unlike the other games that we've discussed, but Bitcoin Flip does not reward users with cryptocurrency. Take note of this. However, it is a great game for beginners who want to learn more about Bitcoin trading. So Bitcoin Flip has features such as it's available on both iOS and Android devices, and it has a multi-asset support. Also, you can trade crypto through Counterparty and is 100% free to play. So here's my verdict about Bitcoin Flip. If you are a novice to Bitcoin trading, you can start practicing on Bitcoin Flip. Alright guys, we've come to the end of yet another revealing and educative video, and we've learned, or I've showed you some of the games that you can play on your smartphones and earn free Bitcoin from. So if you found value or gained something after watching this video, kindly hit the like button, and also don't forget to leave a comment for me in the description section of this video, and don't forget to share this video across the social media platform, because sharing is caring and caring is sharing. Alright guys, and remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you're looking for more videos or more ideas on how you can make money online, kindly check out my channel and visit my playlist. I have lots of videos that teaches you how you can make money online just by completing surveys, watching videos, reading emails, and lots more. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep an eye on my channel for my next video. I promise it's going to be revealing and it's going to teach you a lot. So I'm signing out now. Bye for now. Thanks. See you in the next video.